This is Big
Oh
Brother.
my god.
Good morning, latecomers.
Good morning.
And how was your first night?
Good, thank you.
It was good. I think I slept pretty well.
Yeah, I like the music.
Rohan didn't keep you awake, did he?
No.
He snored for a little bit, but so did Lucy, so...
Do I snore?
I didn't hear you. I was out like a light. I didn't hear you.
The worst.
Oh, how funny. That's so funny.